How to become an Airbnb host. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can become an Airbnb host and then host your own space or hotels in the Airbnb app. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So maybe you want to list your own space or your property, right? And then it's very simple to do that. All you have to do is first of all open the Airbnb app, then just come to the profile page from the bottom right, scroll and then look for the option called list your space, right? So here you'll find the option called list your space. Just tap on it. Once you tap on list your space, it will actually take some time to download the Airbnb host application. So wait until the download process and installation has been complete, and then you will see this type of interface. So just tap on the get started button. So basically, first of all, you have to tell about your place and then make it stand out and then finish up and then choose to publish. Make sure that you have all the required documents of the property with you, and then after you just tap on the get started button, it'll ask you for some other prerequisites, and then just like that you'll be able to go ahead and then simply actually start your own place and then host on Airbnb. So I'll just go ahead and tap on the next option. Then you can see which of this best practices describes your place. It's whether it's a house or flat, apartment or whatever else it is. Just select it and then hit the next button. After you've done that, on the next specific page you will see different types of options again. So you can select a private room or a shared room, whatever you actually offer over here. So just over there, just tap on the next option, and then after you've done that, it'll ask you for some other questions. So you can go ahead and enter your address and fill in all the necessary details and to become an Airbnb host. That's all it takes to become an Airbnb host. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.